Watch this video and learn how to draw a croissant. Later in the video, Bobby Bananas sings a song. And watch to the end to see Louie read some of his poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artists!
Well, that was a very nice welcome, Artie.
Yeah.
Are you in a good mood today?
Oh, Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
Well, you're welcome. Should we make some art?
Okay. Whoa! Yeah.
How wonderful to see everyone today!
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
So what should we draw today, Artie?
I didn't really think about it.
Remember our breakfast this morning?
Yeah.
Why don't we draw a croissant?
Oh, yeah. That's a really good idea. Okay. Artie will draw that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing a large oval-shaped eye right in the middle of the page towards the top. That's it, Artie. Now draw a little circle inside the oval, also towards the top, and shade it in black. You know, after we finish this drawing, Artie, we could eat another croissant.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Artie loves croissants. Now let's draw the right eye. We're going to draw a larger oval shape just to the right side of the first one that we drew. And remember the little circle in the middle, shade it in black. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thank you, Barry. That was very helpful. Now let's give our croissant a big, smiley mouth. And underneath that smiley curve, let's draw a tongue sticking out. Draw a line coming down the middle of the tongue. And now a little triangle on the right side of the tongue. That's it. And another one on the left side of the tongue. Oh, here comes Bunny.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure!
Oh,
Wow! Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie!
thank you.
Good job! Stay positive! Bye!
Bye.
Bunny always has something good to say, doesn't she, Artie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it, Artie. Good job. Shading those two little triangles on either side of the tongue black. That way it looks like our croissant's mouth is open and he's sticking his tongue out. Well, it's a funny looking face, but doesn't look much like a croissant yet. Let's carry on.
Artie thinks we should have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
But we were just about to carry on. Okay.
Okay. Song break.
I like to sing songs. I like to ride my bike. I like to play games. I like to go on hikes. And I really, really, really like you. I like to read books. I like to watch TV. I like to run around. I like to climb trees. And I really, really, really like you. I like to sing with you. I like to dance with you. I like to play hide and seek all day. And I like to be with you. I like to jump rope. I like to count the stars. I like to walk my dog. I like to play guitar. And I really, 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 really like you.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It really was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You enjoy it?
Oh, Artie loves a song break.
Bobby did a great job.
Yeah.
Remember the drawing?
Yeah.
Let's finish.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's draw a short curved line coming out from the left eye and another one coming out from the right eye. Now come all the way down at an angle with a straight line. Keep watching to see Louie's poetry. It's really good. Now let's draw two curved lines coming out of the left side of our middle section. One at the top and one at the bottom. Oh, hi, Barry.
Hi, Artie! Whoa! That drawing is so smooth. It's like a jazz scat. Scooby-Doo, ba-doop-boop-boop-a-doop-doo. See you later.
See you, Barry. Thanks for the song. That's it, Artie. A nice straight line down on the left. Now let's draw a similar shape on the right side. Remember what we did? Two curved lines coming out from the middle section and then a straight line to connect them together.
She's trying her best, you know. Oh, hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely little poem all about the Artie show. Okay, here we go. On Artie's show, the fun won't end. With Mikey, Louie, that's me, and every friend. Bobby Bananas makes us laugh out loud, while Barry Tone sings to every crowd. Betty Brush shows colours so bright, and Artie's drawings bring pure delight. Yes, they do. So gather around, let's laugh and play. Artie's show makes a magical day. Wow, well, that was marvellous, darling.
Now, Artie, let's draw the left side. We're going to draw a sort of C shape, like an elbow shape. Do you see how it looks a little bit like an elbow, Artie? Now let's do the same on the right side, a back to front C or a right elbow shape. It's looking really good, Artie.
I'm finished.
I thought you were. You know what it needs?
Yeah,
What do you think?
I think it needs some color. Yay!
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
Finished. All done. Yeah.
It looks wonderful, Artie.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
You like it?
I love all the colors.
Me too.
Yeah.
Are you proud?
Oh, I'm very proud.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, Artie.
See you soon.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Thank you for watching, little artist. We'll see you again soon. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye.